So I have two bulbs here, this one and this one. So this one is for the oven, microwave bulb. It's very different from this one. This one belongs to a fridge. This one is a fridge bulb. So when you are buying the oven bulb and a fridge bulb, make sure you buy the correct bulb. You see, this one can withstand, this one for a fridge can withstand low temperatures up to -80 degrees. You can see that. This one is for a oven, a microwave. It can withstand high temperatures. Then I want to show you, this one is damaged. You can see even the filaments are fallen. It's damaged. So when we use a multimeter to determine its resistance or if it's working or not, find the base. It's not reading. It's very different from this one. So just wanted you to see the physical difference between an oven, the oven one, and the one for a fridge. So when you go and buy, you should know what you are buying, or you carry a sample to buy the correct one. Thank you for watching.